Welcome to our tutorial on how to create an automated custom WhatsApp link. Are you tired of manually inputting your customers' phone numbers on WhatsApp? Or looking for a more efficient way to connect with your clients through WhatsApp? Well, you're in the right place. With this feature, you can easily connect with your customers and clients through WhatsApp without having to manually input their phone number. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to create your own automated custom WhatsApp link for your business or personal use. Let's get started.
A quick example.
With a free, custom domain. It redirects to my business WhatsApp.
It also created an automated text.
You can now reply your customers. Time to learn how to create your custom WhatsApp link and free domain. Open any browser. Write this in your search bar. Tap the first website link. We are in. Enter your WhatsApp phone number here. Choose your country code. Write your custom automated message here. Generate your link now. Copy link and enable QR code. Time to create our free custom domain. Write this on your search tab. Link in description. Paste your WhatsApp link here. Enter your preferred domain name. Copy your link. You can now test and share your custom automated WhatsApp links. Wow, it works perfectly. Subscribe for more.